This video is all about globes. Globes are your basic shell of protection, your circle of protection. That's just a small bit of what it could be used for. You have four parts to your globe. You have the inside, your outside, the shell, and the solid center. Now your shield, your circle of protection, that's the shell. You can use it as a shield to keep things out, or you can use it as a jail to keep things in. You can use it as an alarm to tell you when something passes through it, or you could use it as a keep out sign, keep something from passing through it. Now the center, you can use what you normally use your magic with. That's your normal activity area. Most people don't use it as a globe, or they don't focus on it that way, but it can be used that way. Now to practice, you imagine there's a ball of energy in your hands. You can make the ball larger, smaller, more solid, or less solid. There's the diagram for that. Now one of the most common ways of using it is to focus on an element. You create the sphere, the energy where you want to work in with the element itself. When you need to practice using it, you imagine a barrier and you imagine someone going through it. When someone goes through it, you imagine yourself being aware of it. That's how you practice using it. And I will give you more information on the elements yourself, but you can make the sphere out of the shell or the center out of elements, so you can use it that way. As a warning, use it to create it out of something that someone least likely to go through, least likely desire to go through, and that keeps them out. Or if you make it around someone, the same process works as a jail. As a shield, it's the most likely element that whatever is doing something against you is capable of passing through. Or whatever you're strongest in, whatever seems to work the most.